Okay, so much of the current collection started with the WPL C24s. I've got a few of those going on. I've got a few of the original ones hiding under the telly. And then sort of it grew into sort of some of the other WPLs that I've got, and the sort of Land Cruisers. These were the body is only that sits on the C24 chassis. I built a few of those up. These are all kit builds apart from the blue one on the right, the WPL C 34 and 54, no 44 even. And then got some MNs which are growing on me at the moment, a little bit of CXD, and sort of a few customised projects, some upgrades to come, plenty of upgrades to come. I've got full metal upgrades to go on the MN82, and the light kit to upgrade it to the Pro version, which is basically all the Pro version is grey and got a light kit. Custom paint on most of these. The WPLs are actually quite standard. There's a few that I've upgraded, like the blue one and the red one there. And then we've got a little Tamiya sort of that I need to restore, and a sort of LDRC drift car and Skyline. And then I've got some of the 18th scale stuff that usually lives under the table as well. I've got to admit I'm really impressed with FMS at the moment, and even the sort of cheaper brand is sort of quite decent too, like the Easy RC brand. Little trailer to go on a project at some point. And then we've got the B36s from WPL, the sort of military stuff. More to come on that, and the LDRCs, Range Rovers, sort of a very soft trail truck I'd call them. Then we've got the 124th from FTX, and yeah, I've got the 124th Range Rover. I will get more of the Camel Trophy collection in the future. And then we've got the 1/10 FTX Peso. And where is it? Oh yeah, we've got the Chimneys, which I think I've already spoken about. Oh yeah, we've got a couple of the tiny little turbo racings, which are about the size of a matchbox. And then, oh yeah, I've got a couple of MN 111s. And we've got the MN 168 Range Rovers. There's actually going to be a third one, which I've got a build planned in mind for that. And then we've got the MN 99s. This was a 91, which didn't have proportional steering, and a really poor motor. That's sort of had a few upgrades to make that more capable. And then we've got the new version of the 99, or the 90, well, I suppose technically these are the 98s because of the Camel editions. That's the old version of the 99, as is that. And then we've got the Talkie Doggy, and then we've got the WPL D64 and C64s, and that one's D62. And then on the top shelf, I've not done the unboxing video for that yet, so we won't put that out just yet. And yeah, that's about it for now. So if there's anything that takes your fancy, you'd like to see more of on the channel, or like to see more trailing or more builds, or kind of a mixture of everything, please let us know, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.